everyone. Hi Pavan. Hi Upender. Hi Babi Gupta. Hi Aju. A very good evening. Hi Aditya. Hi Random Girl. Hi everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Hi Rahul. I am all good. I hope you all are doing well. Hi Nazia. Hi Mayank. Hi Samiksha. So, guys, what's the temperature at your place? Hi, Balkaran. Oh, you missed me so much. I am all good, Upender. It's too cold today. Yes, I am doing good. Random girl. Hi, Suruchi. A very good evening. Yes, Samiksha. क्या गुड न्यूज है जल्दी से बताइए. यस राहुल बहुत ठंड है. इट्स टू कोल्ड. मयंक दीदी बचाना वेदांतु प्रो में हूँ. समझ नहीं आया मयंक. आई एम ऑल गुड बाबी. So, hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, and I welcome you all to our channel Vedantu Commerce. So, in case you guys are new to our channel और अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाओ, go and subscribe our channel right now so that you can watch more such live classes with us at our channel. समझ जाओ बेटा. सेम हेयर. द टेम्परेचर हेयर इज ऑल्सो 14 डिग्री. सो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हो रहा होगा 13 डिग्री में. लेकिन आप लोग तो रजाई में बैठ के भी पढ़ सकते हो. हमें तो अकेले कमरे में अकेले पढ़ाना है तो यहाँ तो ज्यादा ही वो है ठंड. मैं बस गरम गरम मोमोज खाने का मन है. अच्छा ओके. अभी मैंने ठंडा ठंडा बनाना शेक पिया तो मुझे उससे ज्यादा और ठंड लग रही है. उससे और ठंड लग रही है. हाय विलासिका. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. ऑलरेडी लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. ग्रेट. हाय आरुषि. हाय पल्लवी. यस अनुराग. बड़े दिनों बाद. नहीं हम वेव पे मिले होंगे ना अभी कल. Hi, Mr. Life. Hi, Dhriti. I am all good. So, I hope that you all have liked the video. You all have marked your attendance. अगर अभी तक आपने अपनी attendance mark नहीं करी है, if you haven't liked the video, then please go and hit the thumbs up button to show your love for us. अब आप hot coffee पी लो ना. I hate hot coffee. मुझे गर्म चीजों से थोड़ी नफरत है. Okay, Mayank. Yes, I know that you are in Vedantu Pro. I'll take care of you there. Don't worry. I am all good, Vilasika. No, MLA use की आपने ये कहा. Okay. Well done, Samiksha. That's a big achievement. You became the head girl of your school. Congratulations. मिठाई तो बनती है फिर समीक्षा. Thank you, Rahul. Arushi, you are also in Delhi, so Delhi temperature is right now 14 degree. 14 or 13 are different places. Okay, all the best, Dhriti. So, as you all know, this is class 11 session. This is Udaan batch 2.0. And we will continue the chapter Bills of Exchange today. So, you are having your session at 7 p.m. with none other than MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. तो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं. वी विल डू डिस्काउंटिंग ऑफ बिल. बट बिफोर दैट टेल मी, हैव यू ऑल डन योर होमवर्क? सबने अपना होमवर्क किया था जो हमने लास्ट क्लास में दिया था. रेज योर हैंड्स हु ऑल हैव डन इट. जिसने नहीं किया वो भी बता दो. प्लीज बी ऑनेस्ट. जिनको टाइम नहीं मिला, जो भूल गए. Yes, okay. There are so many students who have completed their homework. It's so good to see कि आप लोग homework कर रहे हैं. Okay, random girl, you didn't. It's okay. At least you are being honest. Hi, Pallavi. I hope your first class will be a good one with me. You're welcome, Vilasika. Okay, so this was your homework, in which you have to pass the journal entries. In the previous class, we have done retainment of bill, and I gave the homework of the same topic. So those who have done it well and good, keep doing it because this will help you a lot. You will definitely get the results. And those who have not, please pay attention. I am going to solve it now for all of you. Menti nahi hoga beta. Menti we will do when the chapter will get completed. So, 1 minute. Yeah. Here we have your question, and the question is, on 1st of January, Shankar purchased goods from Parvati for 8,000. Shankar is purchasing goods. So Shankar is buyer. So there are two parties. One is Shankar, who is buyer, and one is Parvati, who is seller. Now Shankar is purchasing goods. The entry will be purchase account debit to Parvati 8,000. No, we are just doing homework. आप late नहीं हुए हो. And Parvati sold goods. So entry will be Shankar account debit to sales account 8,000. So this is the entry for purchase and sale. Shankar purchased goods from Parvati. Now, Shankar immediately drew a promissory note in favor of Parvati, payable after 3 months. So on 1st of January, the goods were sold. On 1st of January, the goods were sold, and immediately on 1st January, Shankar drew a promissory note. So the entry will be drawn account debit to bills payable 8,000. And Parvati will pass the entry bills receivable account debit to Shankar 8,000. So this is the entry when the promissory note was drawn by Shankar. The entries will be same, guys. Then उसके आगे बोला है on the date of maturity. Now first of all we will calculate the date of maturity. The bill is drawn on 1st January 2015 for 3 months. So the due date was February, March, April. 1st April 2015. In 1st April 2015, you will add 3 days of grace. So 1st April plus 3 days, your date of maturity is 4th of April. The date of maturity is 4th of April. Now pay attention. On the date of maturity of the promissory note, the government declared holiday. 4th of April was declared as an emergency holiday. So now the due date will be 5th of April. Now it will shift to 5th of April. So the amount of bill was handed by the lawyer to Parvati immediately on the due date. So now we will pass the journal entries on 5th of April, not 4th. It will be 5th. So Shankar will make the payment. Bills payable account debit to cash 8,000, and Parvati will receive money. Cash account debit to bills receivable 8,000. So this was your homework, guys. Nahi Pavan, in case of emergency holiday, it will be the next day. 3rd अप्रैल तब होता जब वो नेशनल हॉलीडे होती. एक दिन पहले नेशनल हॉलीडे में होता है, इमरजेंसी हॉलीडे में एक दिन बाद होता है 5th अप्रैल, ना कि 3rd अप्रैल. तो 3rd अप्रैल नहीं हो सकता. So this was your homework, guys. Is it clear to everyone? Nahi Stuti, the entries are same. I have already told this. The entries for promissory note and bills of exchange are same. Okay, Anurag. So please read the question carefully. The first line is purchase goods or sold goods. Otherwise, you will pass the entries in opposite parties. The entries will be wrong. So I hope we are good to go to the today's topic. But before that, we will have fun time. थोड़ी मस्ती कर लेते हैं. So let's have some riddles for you and let's see how many of you are going to guess it correct. तो चलिए थोड़े मौज मस्ती कर लेते हैं. And the first riddle that I have for you is on your screen. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? Yes, मुक्कू अगर इमरजेंसी हॉलीडे के बाद पब्लिक हॉलीडे आ जाए तो भी नेक्स्ट डे ही होगा. So, you see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. Congratulations, Balkaran. You are the first one to answer it right. Well done. Congratulations, Ayushi. You are second. Congratulations, Mayank. You are third. Congratulations, Suruchi, Aditya, Nazia, Upender. Answer is alphabet E. It comes once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. So, this was your answer. Coming to the next riddle. So, here we have the next riddle. What 4-letter word can be written forward, backward, or upside down and can still be read from left to right? And can still be read from left to right. ऐसा कौन सा 4 शब्दों का वर्ड है जिसको आप या तो फॉरवर्ड लिख लो या बैकवर्ड लिख लो या अपसाइड लिख लो या डाउन लिख लो, इट विल बी स्टिल द सेम, यू कैन स्टिल रीड इट. इतना तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर डे. चलो, द हिंट इज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर डे. It is a 4-letter word and it is a part of your day. And there we got one answer. Congratulations, Kanan. You are the first one to answer it. Yes, the answer was noon. Well done, Balkaran, Upender, Aditya, Samiksha. Yes, the answer is noon. If you write it forward, backward, upside or down, it will be the same noon. So that's why I said it is a part of your day. Okay, so with this, the fun time is over and it's time to start the study time. So chaliye, let's start today's topic. Let's continue our chapter, Bills of Exchange. and we'll start with the topic discounting of bill. So we are going to understand what is discounting of bill. So I will explain you through a proper example. So I request you all to please pay attention. So I'm going to be invisible now as I have to explain it. So, thank you, Gurpreet. Okay, thank you, Jashan. So guys, I am drawing two parties. This is Sheetal ma'am. This is Karan sir. Now, please pay attention. Sheetal ma'am sold goods to Karan for rupees 1 lakh. And Karan don't have money. Okay. Sheetal ma'am sold goods to Karan for rupees 1 lakh. Now Karan don't have money. He didn't have money. So Sheetal ma'am said, okay, if you don't have money, I will draw a bill on you. So Sheetal ma'am drew a bill on Karan for 2 months. I drew a bill for 2 months on Karan. And the date was 1st of January. The date is 1st of January. Now, after 2 months, he will make the payment. So, he will make the payment on 1st March. After 2 months, the date of maturity will be 4th of March. So, Sheetal ma'am is drawing a bill on Karan sir. And the payment, the date of maturity is 4th of March. Now, Sheetal ma'am faced a very important task, or Sheetal ma'am had some emergency. She require money after 1 month immediately. After 1 month, she need the money immediately. Now, after 1 month, on 1st of February, she went to Karan sir. She requested Karan sir that, Karan sir, I need money. I have to pay to someone. Please make the payment. Karan sir said, no, I can't make you the payment as the date of maturity is 4th of March. The due date was 4th of March. The bill was drawn for 2 months. So he will make the payment on 4th of March. So now what I will do? I need it immediately. But Karan sir is denying. Karan sir ने बोला भाई मैं तो नहीं दूंगा, जो करना है कर लो. बात कब की हुई थी? 4 मार्च की हुई थी. I will make you the payment on 4th of March. Now what I will do? मुझे भगवान दिखाई दिए. So मुझे भगवान जी दिखाई दिए, and right now bank is God for me. Bank will act as God for me. So what I will do? ध्यान से सुनना, please pay attention. I will go to bank. I will go to bank. The BR that I have, the bill that I have, I will give it to bank. I am giving the bill to bank and I am asking money. मैं क्या मांग रही हूँ? पैसा मांग रही हूँ बैंक से. But bank कह रहा है, bank is saying, why should we make the payment to you? You are only giving the bill to us, which is only a paper, which is only a document. in return of this document, why should we make the payment? So you said to the bank that, see, please make the payment to me right now and after 1 month, because I am going to bank on 1st February. Now, after 1 month, on 4th of March, Karan will come and he will make payment to you. तो मैंने बैंक को बोला कि अभी आप बिल को रख लो, you keep the bill with yourself, and after 1 month, on 4th of March, the drawee will come, Karan will come and he will make payment to bank. तो करण क्या करेगा? बैंक को पेमेंट दे देगा. बैंक ने फिर भी बोला, ओके, ही विल मेक दी पेमेंट टू मी, बट व्हाट इज माय बेनिफिट? व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इन दिस ट्रांजैक्शन? मुझे क्या फायदा हो रहा है? सो यू सेड टू बैंक that I am giving you bill of 1 lakh. You can pay me only 95,000. So bank will pay you the amount after charging some fees, after charging discounting charges. Bank will deduct some discounting charges. He is helping you in financing. He is giving you money. Bank is giving you money. So it will charge some fees and that is known as discounting charges. बैंक ने आपसे बिल लिया, बैंक ने आपको 1 महीने पहले पैसे दिए, उसके लिए बैंक कोई कमीशन चार्ज करेगा जिसको कहते हैं डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस. और ड्यू डेट को करण सर आपको पैसे नहीं देंगे. ऑन ड्यू डेट Karan sir will make payment to bank and not to you. He will not make payment to you. He will make it to the bank. What, Aditya? What is the why here? So this is a discounting of bill with the bank. If you want money before the due date, you can go to the bank and you can get it discounted, for which bank will charge some discounting fees. Aditya, I'm not getting a question. Please write it briefly, otherwise I won't be able to help you. Now coming on to the how you will calculate the discounting charges, guys. Just a second. How you will calculate discounting charges? We have to calculate the discounting charges. So discounting charges is equal to amount of bill multiplied by rate upon 100. Rate will be always given in the question, multiplied by unexpired period, or you can say months left after date of discount. So this is how you calculate the discounting charges. Amount of bill 1 lakh. Rate is given 12% multiplied by unexpired period. So you get the bill discounted on 1st of February. You went to the bank on 1st of February and the due date was 4th of March. So the unexpired period, how much time is left after the date of discounting? 1 month is left. How much time is left? 1 month is left. So this is your unexpired period. 1 lakh multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by your unexpired period, the time or the months left. Now you will solve it. 12 to 12 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. It will be 1000. So 1000 will be deducted by bank as discounting charges. So this was the meaning of discounting charges. Now, here you can see the theoretical meaning. I have explained you the entire scenario. I hope you all got it. So, you will not consider the 3 days, you will consider the months only. I have specifically written months. That those 3 days will be ignored. You can write down, you can't write down 1.3 na. That will be only 1 month. Those 3 days will be rounded off to the months. We will ignore those 3 days, Ayushi. Alishba, you have to change the video quality if my screen is not clear. Please check out the quality in the settings. So, if the drawer of the bill does not want to wait till the due date, if drawer does not want to wait till the 4th March, till the due date, and is in need of money, if he need money, he may sell his bill, he may give his bill to the bank at certain rate of discount. He will give the bill to the bank. The bank will now become the holder of the bill. The bill will stay with the bank. So bank is the holder of the bill and bank is the owner of the bill. So when you are discounting the bill with the bank will become the holder, the bank will become the owner of the bill. After getting the bill, the bank will pay cash to the drawer. After discounting, the bank will pay cash to Sheetal ma'am to drawer equal to the face value less discount. So from 1 lakh, they will subtract discount 5,000, 1,000 and then the balance will be paid to the drawer. So this was the meaning of discounting, guys. Is it clear to everyone? What do we mean by discounting of bill? Samajh aaya? Makhan clear, manas. Thank you, Harshdeep. Thank you so much for the comment. Paromita, I'm really very sorry. I can't go back to the previous slide because it will got erased till now. It may got erased till now. Face value means the amount of the bill. Face value means the value that is written on the bill. So that was 1 lakh. So this is the face value which is written on the bill. Now we will do some questions now, but before that, let's see what will be the accounting treatment. What is the accounting treatment when the bill is drawn? So first of all, let me add a slide for that. Okay. So now I am going to explain you the journal entries. Please pay attention, everyone. The first entry will be sale. Yes, Manas, you're absolutely correct. Yes, Harshdeep, I saw your super chat. Now please focus. First of all, drawer will sell the goods, so entry will be drawee account debit to sales account. Now, drawee is purchasing goods, so entry will be purchase account debit to creditor to drawer account. So this is the entry for purchase and sale. After that, yes, the bill will be drawn and the bill will be accepted. So the entry will be bills receivable account debit to drawee, and drawee will accept the bill. So entry will be drawer account debit to bills payable account. This is the entry when bill is drawn, when the bill is accepted. Now please pay attention. Now on the date of discounting, on 1st of February, drawer need money. He is in need of money and he went to the bank. He will get the bill discounted with the bank. So the entry will be bank account debit discounting charges account debit to bills receivable. The bill was of 1 lakh rupees. Bank deducted 5,000 discounting charges. That is a loss for you. Bank ने 5,000 रुपए काट लिए. Bank deducted 5,000. It is a loss for the drawer and that's why it is debited. And you will get the remaining amount 95,000. So bank account debit, discounting charges debit to bills receivable. And drawee will not pass a single entry. There will be no entry in the books of drawee. Because drawer is giving bill to the bank is giving money to the drawer. There is no role of drawee. Drawee will do nothing at this time. So no entry in the books of drawee. And then on the due date, drawee will make the payment. Bills payable account debit to cash or bank. Drawee is making payment to the bank. Drawee is making payment to the bank. So there will be no entry in the books of drawer on due date. Because payment is made to the bank. Bank will receive it. Drawer is not receiving anything. Drawer is not receiving it. So drawer will pass no entry. So these are the entries in the case of discounting of bill. I request you all to please recall all the journal entries and then only we will move to the question part. Those who want to write it down, those who want to take a snapshot, please do it ASAP. Stuti, because drawee is making payment of his liability is decreasing. Decrease in liability is debited. Yes, Arushi, it means that after getting the bill discounted, drawer will have to inform drawee. Only then drawee will make payment to the bank, na? So are you guys ready to solve the questions? It is a loss, Nazia. Discounting charges are a loss. And either it is a loss or an expense, both will be debited now, so it does not matters over here. Okay, so I hope we all are ready to move to the question part now. So let's come to the question. So here we have your first question. Okay, Amrita. So let's read the question and let me draw the. Here we will pass it. Here we will pass the entries. The question is, Vishal sold goods to Manju. So one party is Vishal, another party is, okay, just a second. There are two parties, one is Vishal and another is Manju. So, Vishal sold goods for 7,000 to Manju on 5th of January 2015. So, on 5th of January, we will pass the entry for sale. Manju account debit to sales account 7,000. And Manju is purchasing goods on 5th of January. So purchase account debit to Vishal 7,000. After that, Vishal drew upon her a bill of exchange payable after 2 months. So on 5th of Jan, the bill of exchange was drawn. So BR account debit to Manju 7,000 and Manju accepted the bill. So entry will be Vishal account debit to bills payable 7,000. Then the bill is drawn for 2 months. The bill is drawn for 2 months. So the due date will be February, March, 5th of March. In 5th March, you will add 3 days. So it will be 8th of March. This is your date of maturity. Now, Manju accepted Vishal draft and handed over the same to Vishal after acceptance. Vishal immediately means on the same day. Vishal immediately discounted the bill with his bank at 12% per annum. So we have to calculate discounting charges. So we have to calculate discounting charges. Amount of bill 7,000. Rate 12%. Now date of discount. Date of discounting is 5th of January. The due date is 8th of March. So the unexpired period, the time left is 2 months. February and March, 2 months are unexpired. So 7,000 multiplied by 12% multiplied by 2 by 12. Your discounting charges are 140. Discounting charges are 140. Nahi Balkaran, that is bill after sight. In this question, it is nothing mentioned. It is bill after sight or bill after date. So आप ड्यू डेट से ही कैलकुलेट करोगे, सॉरी आप डेट ऑफ बिल से ही कैलकुलेट करोगे. वो अलग अलग तरीके का बिल होता है बालकरन, उसके बारे में अभी यहाँ कोई बात नहीं हुई है. So on 5th of Jan, the bill was discounted with the bank. So entry will be bank account debit, discounting charges debit to BR. BR, the bill is of 7,000. Discounting charges are 140. So you will get 6,860 rupees. कितना पैसा मिलेगा? 6,860. And there will be no entry in the books of Manju on 5th of Jan at this time. ड्रॉय की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी. After that, on the due date 8th of March, on due date Manju will make the payment. BP account debit to bank account 7,000 and she is making payment to the bank. She is making payment to the bank, so there will be no entry in the books of Vishal on 8th of March. So this is your question. Balkaran, give me 1 minute. First of all, let me solve this question. Then I'll come to your doubt, beta. बेटा कैश भी डेबिट हो सकता है स्तुति. अभी हम यही मान रहे हैं कि बैंक आपके बैंक अकाउंट में पैसा डाल देगा. यू कैन डेबिट कैश ऑल्सो, मार्क्स नहीं कटेंगे उसके. राइट नाउ वी आर एज्यूमिंग कि बैंक ने आपके अकाउंट में पैसे डाल दिए हैं बिल के, तो दैट्स व्हाई बैंक इज डेबिटेड. आप बैंक की जगह कैश भी लिख सकते हो, दोनों एंट्रीज में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It will provide the same marks. Is it clear, guys? Question समझ आया? Answer is clear or not? Yes, clear. Okay. Now, अगर question में in the question date of bill and date of acceptance both are given and nothing is mentioned in the question, then the due date will be calculated from the date of bill. If question is mentioning nothing, then it is bill after date. So you will start calculating the due date from the date of bill. But if it is said that it is bill after sight, if question specifies that it is bill after sight, then it will be calculated from date of acceptance. Okay? स्तुति, बैंक क्रेडिट इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि आप बैंक को पेमेंट कर रहे हो और आप बैंक को पेमेंट अपने अकाउंट से कर रहे हो. आप उसको कैश में भी पेमेंट कर सकते हो और आप बैंक को ये भी बोल सकते हो कि आप मेरे अकाउंट से बैलेंस काट लो। तो कैश और बैंक कुछ भी क्रेडिट हो सकता है। इट विल मेक नो डिफरेंस इन द एंट्रीज, इट्स ऑल अप टू यू एट वेदर यू वांट टू यूज कैश और बैंक। बालकरण, मैंने आपको वही बताया कि अगर बिल आफ्टर साइट है तभी डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस से कैलकुलेट होगा, अदरवाइज वो डेट ऑफ बिल से कैलकुलेट होगा। अगर क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं बोला तो आप डेट ऑफ बिल से ही कैलकुलेट करोगे। But yes, in your syllabus, such type of questions will not come according to me. There are very rare chances that these type of questions will come. So here you can see the question answer. We have passed 3 entries in the books of Vishal for sales, for bill drawn, and for discounting of bill. And on the payment, there will be no entry in the books of Vishal. Then in the books of Manju, entry for purchase, bill accepted, and the payment made. These are the 3 entries in the books of Manju. Now, if you guys are facing any problems, if you are having doubts, if you want to have regular classes with me, if you have no conceptual clarity, kuch samajh nahi aa raha, if you want to solve more questions and assignment, then you can join our live and interactive classes. You can join my term 2 batches where I will be teaching you on regular basis with live and interactive classes with high level quizzes. Also, we will be completing the entire syllabus through handwritten notes, through assignments, through mock test and practice papers. So if you want to join my term 2 batches, then this is the right time because you can grab all the courses at flat 10% discount. Yes, we are providing flat 10% off on all the courses right now. And for discount, you all can use my code SCPRO. So go and use my code to grab your courses at flat 10% discount if you want to have regular classes with me at Vedantu Pro. So we have provided all the links in the description box. This is your YouTube, and on the right hand side you can see the description box. So in description box there is a link CBSE Commerce Term 1 Term 2. So you have to go to this link. जैसे आप लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे you will come to our website and then you have to scroll down. When you will scroll down, here you can see 2 types of plan, Pro Lite and Pro Classic. In Pro Lite, you will get these features: live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during class. But if you want to ask doubt on mobile app, if you want to ask doubt after the classes, then you have to take Pro Classic. So these are the prices for your term 2. 11,699 for Pro Lite for term 2 and 13,499 for Pro Classic for term 2. You can also take a trial for 15 days and the prices are only 899. So go to the YouTube description box and this is the link CBSE Commerce Term 1 Term 2. तो आपको इस लिंक पे जाके आप अपने कोर्सेज ले सकते हैं. Now we will solve another question. It's time for question number 2. So let's read the question and let's start solving it, guys. तो चलिए question number 2 को solve करते हैं. The question is, Amit sold goods to Sumit. एक पार्टी है अमित और एक पार्टी है सुमित. Now, Amit sold goods to Sumit of 20,000 on 1st of January. So on 1st of January, Amit sold goods to Sumit. Sumit account debit to sales 20,000, 20,000. And Amit purchase goods. So the entry will be purchase account debit to Amit 20,000, 20,000. After that, Amit drew a bill of exchange upon Sumit for the same amount for 3 months. So on 1st of January, the bill was drawn. BR account debit to Amit 20,000, 20,000. And Sumit accepted the bill. So entry will be Amit account debit to, Sumit account debit. यहाँ पे मैंने गलती करी है. Okay. So entry will be Amit account debit to bills payable 20,000, 20,000. Sumit accepted the bill of 20,000. Now, the bill was drawn for 3 months. So in 1st January, you will add 3 months. It will be Feb, March and April. 1st April. In 1st April, you will add 3 days and your date of maturity is 4th of April. So this is your due date, 4th of April. Now Sumit accepted the bill and returned it to Amit. Sumit met his acceptance on maturity. Record the necessary entries under the following circumstances. So what is the circumstances here? Your drawer Amit discounted the bill at 12% from his bank. तो अमित ने क्या किया? Discounting, he got the bill discounted. So first of all, we will calculate discounting charges. Amount of bill 20,000. Rate 12%. Time 3 months. Because he got the bill discounted on 1st January and the due date is 4th of April. So the time period, the unexpired period is 3 months. It will be, yes, 600 rupees. Your discounting charges are 600. So now we will pass the journal entry in the books of Amit on 1st of January. Again, cash or bank account debit, you can write cash or bank. Then discounting charges debit to bill receivable. The bill is of 20,000. Discounting charges are 600. So you will get the remaining amount 19,400. And at this time, there will be no entry in the books of Sumit. In the books of Droy, there will be no entry. And on the due date, on 4th of April, Sumit will make the payment. Bill payable account debit to cash or bank 20,000, 20,000. And on the due date, there will be no entry in the books of Amit. So these are the entries of discounting of bill. Is this clear to everyone? Nazia, all clear. Yogita, all clear.